All right, you already know why we're here. They have a mod manager. That's interesting. All right. Anyways, what's up? I I've played Tainted Fall. Sorry, I played Tainted Great Fall of Avalon before. Pretty good game. So I'm gonna play it for you guys today. You already know why we're here. I think I said that already, but I don't know if I uploaded the other video. I don't think I did. I did, but I have played this before. So I'm a geek about this game. I love this game. Um, I won't take too long in the character customization. I won't talk during these as well because I actually want the story to be enjoyed. My bad. Alrighty. Um, Dialogues and environment, of course. Font size. Have it medium. Auto advance. Yeah. First person. Have that in pro- proactive and reactive. Yeah. Let's do third person first, and then we'll do this later. See if we care about that. All right. I'm gonna lock in for character customization. I don't remember how to pause the recording, but I'll figure it out. All right. Sure. I'm gonna play adventurer. Duh. I would play veteran, but I haven't beat the game. If I had beaten the game, maybe I would have played. Um, yeah. Okay, now I gotta figure out this extra shit. One-handed weapons. Ancient site of worship. Uh, This gives me no athletics, but this gives me alchemy and cooking. Hmm. I don't know. Because Burning Ember is a really good spell, but I could just get Blood Transfusion is a really good fucking spell. It's like really good. It's like really good. This one gives more stats, so okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm all like busted up. How do I change my perspective? Controls. Z. Interesting. Okay. This is as good as it's gonna get for now. I believe we can get some armor if we just scour the hell out of this place. No quick slots yet. Alright. I gotta remember all these. Yeah. Do not forget you can dash. And then you get shorter dashes. I don't know. Anyways, they also made the what's it called? The little these little spells have like things around your hands now. That's cool. Uh I know some of these books you get if you read stuff, it's good. And this is one of those kind of take everythings. You can't sell as much stuff as you ooh. First try, baby. Then you have to think about it. Coin purse. I can't even see that. Okay. Anyways. Is there that's what I was is there like brightness? There we go. Just to see a little bit. You feel me? Like I enjoy the like the darkness and the scenery and like the atmosphere and everything is great. I want to be able to see. Beggars Fair. All these guys are fucking dead. Guards key. Hell yeah. All right, you got how much of shit? Old letter. I'll just take that. Read. Don't care. Casket. Lockpick. stuff. Free shit, free shit, free shit. All this shit makes shit. I just don't remember what shit it makes. I wonder also, have they balanced the game as well? Are these better than the rags I have now? Nah. I thought they would. Well, I thought they might be at least the same quality. They would just look nicer. All right, guess that's enough of that. Uh, was in here. Wait. All right. Wait, can I? Damn. All right. Charging. Oh, I've never actually used the Burning Ember spell before. Ow. Type. Bink. I'm actually used to using summoner spells. Oh. Oh, you got combos? I knew you had combos. My fault, bro. I underestimated you. Amputation knife? But is that a weapon? It is, it is. However, less stamina cost. And it's a blade. This is the type of shit I wanted. I did not need that. Autopsy report? That's cool. Someone died. Ooh, that's a heart. Um, my heart goes out to you. Yilong Ma? My fault, G. Here, hold on. I got some for you. Hold this. Ow. Damn. Damn. Oh, I know you had fucking hops like that. Jesus. All right. Hold on. How do I eat? There we go. Something's probably cool in there. Something's probably cool in there. I gotta figure out how to get out of it. Fires pickaxe. Oh my god. Dude, my fucking echo went off. That was so weird. I hate it when she does that. I need a laboratory key. Laboratory. Oh, cool. Appreciate. What were we all saying though? Okay, cool. Um, if that's all they had to say. There we go. All right, this is some better. That's not better. That's the same. These look. I like the worn boots. They're just yapping. There are. There we go. Was good, Cuzzo. There's a way to like stealth attack as well. I just don't remember how. That's how. Did it. All right. Now I got a sword. And there's no durability. Awesome sauce. Method of separating the mind. Medic saw. All this stuff is cool to have, but like I don't really need all of it unless I'm doing alchemy. Drowner's tongue. I think I need that. Might need the blood clots. All this stuff. Brain. Ah, shoot. I was supposed to read that. That was good. Um, Goodbye, my friend. And I took your pants. Got some nice pants. And he dropped a ring too, right? Oh, he dropped the keeper's thing, the keeper's tag. Yeah, those ones are good. I'll be making many of these. Yes, I'm so glad I have the recipe for those. Let's see, all right. I do not want to go through there yet. Just want to go through here. Sneak. Can I just? What happens if I like sneak around these guys? You don't see me, twin. Yes, you are. You're alone. You are plenty alone. Oh snap! All right. I think we're supposed to kill all these guys. Well, arguably, I don't think that these people have any value. Like, no offense, but I really don't think they do. Oh, blood transfusion. This, you tap it to shoot, and it shoots like blood, but when you hold, you'll see. You can fucking life steal that. It's fucking crazy. Oh my god. I don't know if reading does anything. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'll do all this stuff just to be sure. What happens if I kill this guy? Do you need any help? Well, I'm gonna put you out of your misery. Uh, Probably was not the one to do that. Probably should have let him die on his own, but he was one tap. So, I mean, if you were one tap, you were gonna like, ooh, can I sleep in your bed too? Rip, bozo. I'm well rested in that dungeon. I fuck with that. White buttons, mushrooms. Where am I? I think there's a chick down here somewhere. Don't mind saving me. Okay. Don't mind saving me. I like how like these people are trying to be humble. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Uh Potion in there. Damn. Like, the plague is going to get me. Dude, just leave. Just go live the rest of your life. After you die, you won't have to worry about anyone else. Dude, oh my god, and these lockpicks are so fragile, too. Oh my god. Right there. Watch that. Watch that. Watch that. Right there. Down a little. Oh my god. There we go. Why was that so fucking hard? Did it say it was hard? I will take the origin potion, though, just in case I want to change my build. Like, bro, I'm out of lockpicks. I'm out of. I can't talk to her, but none of these people have anything of value. Uh, I know bone meal is good, and I need the carnations. Bone meal and carnations. I think those are what make the good shit. Brains and all that spoiled meat, hearts. Where's the guy? There's actually supposed to be two guys in this room. Oh, three. There's three. There's three. There's three. There's three. What? Don't crouch. Don't ever crouch. Don't ever crouch mid battle. I don't know what the fuck you think you're doing. And then, good thing about this is that you can leech their health. I like how you can actually see their stamina now. I don't think you could see their stamina before. I don't want the wooden club. I just want a weapon that's not going to hit stop. At least not right now. Damn. Somebody's heart is on the floor. I mean, arguably, I just killed these guys, but, like, they deserved it. Another alchemy station, small health potion. Just scour this room real quick. I don't think there's anything, like, too much of value. But I just want to read these just to be sure. New recipe unlocked. Cooking pot. Use random ingredients. Do not want to do that. Probably mess me up. Uh, it's gonna say that, but I don't care because third person still looks good in this game, in my opinion, at least. The lock seems to be broken. I gotta find out where to get out of here. I gotta take the shovel. There's a pickaxe somewhere. I don't know where it is though. Uh, there's a this way. Did I go down that way? I went down that way. Hold on. I went down this way, but let me take a different route this time. There we go. All right. Oh, well, I mean, I'll survive, but see, lockpick. Hold on. It's this way. There we go. What beeth down here? Oh, I know what this is. It's that one guy with that fuck ass helmet. He punches the walls and you can cheese the fuck out of him like this. Watch this. You ready? Loser, loser, loser. Strong as hell, though. Close this. Yeah, and then you could do this. Can I reach him? So this is a cheese. For anyone that yeah, you have to open the door and then close it. Athlete's pride. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Uh, max stamina. Sure. This. Yeah, sure. Gonna drop that. Don't need that. Now I'm gonna steal all your stuff. Like he was trapped in here. So come down there. You'll get a free ring and a cool ass helmet that does thorns damage. These autofill slots. Need to. Oh, just something to eat to regen your health. Got it. Yeah, this is the chick. She gives you a ring, by the way, if you're nice to her. So basically, she's like, oh, poor girl. I hate how some like how they get treated sometimes. It's kind of sad. Anyways, and not to like dismiss her or anything. That 10 max mana ring is definitely gonna be helpful. Even if it's only by a small amount. Thank you. All right, we're back up where we came. So I think we can go this way. We should pop out. Not this way. How do we get out of here? Oh, just a random priest, I guess. What does that do? Is that bleed? I wonder if you hit them with the blood transfusion first, does it? Oh wait. So I wonder how high you can stack bleed. In every single like one of these games, there's just bleed. Like, come on, bro. I get there's a bleed build, but come on, bro. Okay, hold on. There we go. I don't know if I was supposed to go that way. I fell down that place. Was that? I think that was the right area. I gotta find that place again. There's the pickaxe. So yeah, this is. I wanted to be able to mine all this bullshit, but I know nothing to mine there. All right. Now where does this lead me? Oh, what's up, bruh? Let's see. I just want to exhaust all the dialogue options. Does that make sense? All right. Because that's a chill guy. We could have fought, but I think later in the game we see him and he's chill. So we're not gonna fight him. I really would help everyone out, but it's like I feel like half of this stuff is useless. Like, no offense to these guys. What is that? I don't remember seeing that. That's an experiment gone wrong. As they exhale. Whoa. This is the last lockpick I have. Okay. Lesser health ring? I'll take that. Mungani tail. I don't really care about health right now, but it's good to have a health ring. Maybe I can do something with it later. Maybe I can like upgrade it, hopefully. Oh no, this was the right way. There is just nothing in this area. Awesome. So am I stuck? No, because there's a way to get out of here. I just don't know what it is. Is it this way? Okay, is this gonna like clip me through the floor, or is it gonna kill me? Or just put me on top of it? Oh, it pushed me back. Cool. Oh, this is like a maze. That, or I'm just. Do you are have stupid? All right. This looks like something. There we go. It is. Rejuvenation, very short bow. Interesting. All right. Uh, put that there. Put that there, and put that there. I know there's capes. I want one so bad. Mark all I've seen. Yes. Is it X? Oh, I wanted to put my weapons away. Hold on. Okay, I don't think there's a keybind for this, but who are you? Bloody bloody blah. So, in short, this guy is cool, but at the sorry, At the start, I tend to be wary of him, because I think he's a trifling ass bitch. Um, because I don't know, he how many stacks of bleed can I put on someone? That's insane. Because if it can just keep stacking, then what's it called? Then that can make someone bleed forever and ever and ever. Nothing yet. I gotta talk to the king. Oh, this extra bullshit down here. I'll do this for you. All right. All right. Okay, I'm starting to like this. Level up. Oh yeah. By the way, you can only level up at like the campfires and stuff. All right, here's this cool place. For the people that want to read all this bullshit, they can. Like you can pause or slow it down and pause and do all that. This part, this part fucks with you because I think it takes a little long, but this place is so fucked up. This shit looks like a Warframe. What's it called? The if y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm just saying, like the Warframe big people, the big gray people in the Sanctum. I forgot what they're called. Anyways, this guy's chill. Well, what are you? Walk with me. Beyond interact. Is that a GTA quick wheel? That's interesting. Yeah, that's fire. That shit is bright though. You think? So basically, our king is revived. My soul is now binded to the stone. Come back to life. I didn't really have a choice. It's an honor, my king. Yeah, his form. No, he doesn't have a physical form. But there are more. All right. So basically, that was our king, our awesome and cool king. Now we can kind of just leave because I don't think there is anything else, but I want to see what this is because it's glowing. A real good guy. I want that sword. I'm gonna try. I know I'm not gonna be able to get it, but I want it. Athletics already at 18. There's no way we're leveling that stuff up that quickly. Bathed. Aw. Yeah, you can't. What is this? Oh, there's different animations for that stuff. Also, I think I just wasted it all. I think I have to wait like a day, right? Before I use the King's Power again. I forgot I'm supposed to use it sparingly. Ring of Protection. I'll take that. Wow, increases armor. Like, what is the point of some of this stuff? I already know. Uh these guys, I think these guys are so cool. Any like big worker is always cool. But this is like they're probably powering like the whole thing. Like the whole what is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, there's a boss down here. I can remember it. Where is it? Huh. Where's the boss, you guys? Oh, snap. Yeah. Ow. Damn. That bit hurt. And no reward? Seriously? Alright. I didn't need you anyways. Can I go back in? Oh no. Now I gotta make a campfire. Right? Random little crevasses. Oh, hello. It's like all your like the only time I don't want to be in like third person is when like I'm doing intricate stuff that actually requires me to like be there. You feel me? Woke up at 5 in the morning. 5 in the goddamn morning. There's an ore on the ground. What's up? There's the dude. I think you can hit. I don't know. I don't want to test it. Do I test it? Because this is a save scumming game. Like save scumming is like basically a game where you save, commit a bad crime that you want to see what the outcome is to, and then load the save back. For example, new save. Uh, don't die him, and then we. Oh, oh, he's like that. Nah. If I just do this, can I cheese him? Damn. If I get hit once, I'm cooked. I would have to like train by like I would have to like train my athleticism or like beat up like a brick or something. Or go back in there and just start farming. I can't even go back in there and farm. Shit is crazy, bro. Random dude just washed up over here. Oh yeah, there's a chest somewhere in this area that has some good shit. I don't remember where it's at though. I'm gonna scour this location like a motherfucker though. Ooh. So y'all just gonna push it over here and like nah, tell me? What is that? I'm going down here first because I want to see if there's like can I wanna go underneath the water though. Yeah, there we go. And I'm just dicking around, but still. Oh. See. No, I'm not just digging around. I'm not just digging around because there's stuff. Let me up. Let me up. Damn. Let me up. Damn. Let me up. No, dude. How am I supposed to get up there, dude? Wait, I can just do this. What am I doing? How am I supposed to get up there? Fucking idiot. Doesn't go the long way fucking round. Archer's ring and a pearl necklace. Range damage. But does range damage also count as magic damage? Because if I shoot this, does that count as range damage? I don't know. We'll find out soon. There we go. Knew there was a chest around here somewhere. Just nowhere. I think there's another one though. So I remember playing through this and there was a shit ton of oh, I guess there's a lot of chests on the side islands. So a whole bunch of free shit for me. Take the carnations, feathers, all this extra bullshit that no one else is willing to take. Broken broadsword. If it's broken, I don't want it. That's not true. I'll still take it. Yeah, there's more shit over this way. Cooking pot. Poor guy's dead. Like, you can survive on these islands. It's just like, you gotta just, like, eat the grass, though. And then boil the fuck out of the water. Use what fucking materials you have. Like, you can survive. What's in here? I don't think I've ever been fully around the island, have I? Is there more to do this way? Maybe on that island? Nah. I'm not putting in all that extra effort. At least not right now. Alright. Looks like this is all that there is for the island. Yep. Because it brought me right back here. Alright, let's get to... This guy's smoking. Oh, out of a pipe? Type. If that was a test. So are you supposed to ring me out? So what's your plan exactly? Is it even possible to steal such an artifact? Oh, never mind. I said I had more questions. They denied that. All right. So I'm probably gonna place this bonfire and then stop it for right now. I'll talk to King Arthur first. Yeah, I don't know, but like he's a bad guy. So I gotta level up. Skill tree attributes, all that bullshit. Um, I'm gonna need a lot of spirituality for my summoning shit. So I'm gonna want to scale endurance as well eventually. Damn, this shit is gonna be a pain in the ass, but Like, this is where summoning comes in. Uh, you and your other storms were. This is so good. How many summons? Yeah, your summon limit. Yeah, that's that one. That I want this one. Astral Bonds. I want to be able to take on multiple summons at the same time. All right. I'm just gonna rest till. There we go. All right. This is probably gonna be for the next episode. For now, I'm gonna leave it here. Until I can figure out a decent schedule for like recording these, because I honestly I had to get better at like playing the game and like recording it and then like uploading it, because I make so many videos but I just don't upload them. Like I think I have like level not like level like episode like 11 on the Power World, but I just haven't played it because what's it called? Like I know I'm gonna have to record it. I don't have to, but it'd be nice. Um, but yeah. I guess I should say um, never mind. There ain't shit to say. Fuck you.